super excited to announce we are doing a dirt bike giveaway, a 2025 Husky TE300 Pro, Ride-Tek.com. Give us a look. We are beyond excited to let you know that we are giving this bike away for $10. Basically, all you gotta do is enter $10, enter to win, and we get what you think is a really cool sticker. In fact, get a few of them if you'd like. We have many different colors, cool designs. We're really excited about the sticker. But what we're most excited about is getting to partner with you on this, a 2025 Honda CRF 250F. This is gonna go to a kid in the community that has no idea that it's coming. The cool thing is you get to partner with us, you help us in this. We get to do this as a partnership. We're super excited. Thank you so much for your time, your effort. Basically, tell us if you know anybody in the community, a story. We're going to be taking stories through our website. All the information is on our About page. Please write us a note. Let us know a story of a kid that you think might be a good candidate for this bike. We are really excited to give it away. Not only are we giving it away, we're going to give the kid a full set of gear, head to toe, once we know the kid, who it is, he or she, size, you know, all that kind of stuff. Head to toe, helmet, goggles, boot, this and that. So we really look forward to giving some bikes away. Thank you so much for your partnership. You are what makes this possible. This bike is incredible, gorgeous, absolutely beautiful in person. 2025 Husky TE300 Pro. Gotta tell you, it's honestly much better looking in person. The details on this thing are gorgeous. I love the Pro. I have last year's model, best bike I've ever had. But this bike, this is what we're stoked about, guys. We're giving away a bike to a kid. Thank you so much for partnering with us. Check this thing out. It's absolutely brand spanking new. The cool thing about both of these bikes, this bike will not have one single mile or hour on it when you get to pick it up as the winner. Super stoked. Ridetek.com. All you do is purchase a sticker on our website on the shop center. It's all over the website, ridetek.com. We'll leave a link in the description. Please do subscribe to us. Keep an eye on the updates, see what's going on there. We have an Instagram page. Everything will be in the link in the description. All the details. 2025 Husky TE300 Pro, $10 to enter to win. Enter as many times as you want. Get a really cool sticker. But look at the partnership of what we get to do together, guys. Give a bike away to a kid. My personal story is this, I just want to share it. I wasn't able to afford a dirt bike as a kid. I was always wanted one. I was really into bicycles, and I saw people riding dirt bikes all the time, and I wanted to ride so bad. But this kid moved in, had a bike, said, hey, invited me to kind of ride it in the back lot behind our neighborhood. And I was instantly hooked. Jumped on that thing, started ripping, grabbed the front brakes, flipped over the bars, but couldn't wait to get back on it. That's how exciting it was. It's changed my life ever since. I know it's changed tons of your lives ever since, but more importantly, let's partner together and change a whole kid's life. Maybe a kid that maybe would never even have the opportunity to get a bike until he's older. We're stoked. Husky TE300 Pro, I'm gonna zoom in and show it to you. We're gonna do some detailed videos on this beauty. This is gonna go to somebody. This is going to be somebody's brand new bike with 0 hours, 0 miles. The detail on this thing is just absolutely incredible. So much cool detail. Absolutely gorgeous bike. Love the black wheels. Gotta say, much better looking bike in person than the pictures that I saw. But this is the heart of the matter, is a Honda CRF 250F going to a youth in the community. Please tell your stories. Please share your stories. Please write us an email, and we're going to find a kid together that is in absolute need of a bike, and we get to do that together. So thank you so much, guys. Ridetek.com. Get a really cool sticker. See all the ones we have on our website. Thanks again for partnering with us.